that I was a fucking nutter. Got it on camera too. That's a Section 5 public order offence, because I really, really do feel, you know, harassed, distressed, very distressed, and alarmed.
Happy?
Happy with what?
I'm taking films of stuff. People.
I can.
I'm not saying you can't. I'm saying, are you happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Good.
Are you happy?
Always.
Yeah, very good.
Good. Just don't take it to me face.
Mate, there's nothing you can do about it.
There is.
Oh, what's that?
There is.
What's that?
Well, there is.
What's that, mate?
Just don't take
Don't touch me. Don't touch. Get out of my personal space, mate.
I'm not in
Get out of my personal space.
I can stand there.
Get out of my space.
I can stand there.
Have you?
Stand there. It's my space.
This. Get out.
It's my space.
Look at this, guys.
This is my
Look
space.
at this. Look at this.
It's my space. This is my space.
Get out of my space.
This is my space. This
So
is
we
my
got-
space. This is my space.
That's assault, mate.
Well, don't point it in my face.
That's assault.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'll get you.
I'm gonna get you for assault, mate. Right, this goon just assaulted me.
Goon. Oh, so now you call me names. Have I not got a name? Or is that an offence towards my personal feeling that you call me a goon?
Get away from me,
Did you
mate.
get that on tape?
Yeah.
Did you get that on tape? That you called me a goon? I'd
away
take
from me.
offence to that.
Call
Did I
the cops
call
then.
you names?
Call the
Did I
cops.
ask you your name?
No, you just assaulted me.
But you just called
You
me a
just
goon.
assaulted me.
You called me a goon.
Get out. I'm gonna
Is
take
that a
one
goon?
step back and you take.
Am I a
You
goon?
just stay there, mate.
Am I a goon? Am I a goon? That's fucking hurtful, that, mate. Anything else to say?
You're being filmed, mate.
I know. But I'm pleased you got. But what you'll do is you'll delete the fact that you called me a goon.
I would not delete anything.
Some lads over there who just,
Aye, you're going to be a
call me
YouTube
goon.
star tonight, mate.
Lads, they call me a goon, you know what I mean?
You're going to be a YouTube star tonight, mate.
Excellent. Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. Good.
Well, anyway, have a good day.
Yeah, you too. What do you reckon about that then, fellas? Fucking idiot. So, I get assaulted.